Today we're going to scan this QR code for this Moncler signature stripe navy red and white beanie. First of all, there's the badge. Check out the label tags. And once you get it inside out, it's going to reveal the industry tags. And also the embroidered Moncler label tag with the registration mark and their logo. So once you flip these tags up, the QR code is going to be the very last tag. So right here with their hologram, and there's definitely tech in the hologram as well. Okay. So you're going to take any other device, any other Android phone or an iPad, and you're just going to hover over the QR code while your device is in picture mode. So right there, you scan the code, and now the site pops up. And here you can go and register your product. Proceed with registration, log in, create an account. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to the next level of registration where you enter the code. And once you enter the code, it's going to let you know if it's real or fake. They'll get back to you right away with an email. If they get back to you right away saying, yay, thanks for registering, it's real. If they get back to you and say, we'll respond within 24 hours, it's a replica. Okay guys, so be careful. Take care, register with us. Your first registration is free. Be safe, be well, be strong. Always be creative.